Hi, my name is Fred Reidner, and I'm going to talk to you today about my graduate internship. I worked the last semester on this graduate internship, and I completed it at my home school that I teach at. I am a 10th grade biology teacher, and so this internship was done at East Stroudsburg South High School under the supervision of my principal, Matthew Triolo. And um, the main goal of my internship was to create some kind of online resource for students who are taking the Pennsylvania Keystone Biology exams that happen every year. And so sometimes we have students that struggle, they just need that quick refresher. And so my goal was to create an online resource for them that their teachers could share out, post on their Google Classrooms. And so I'm going to go through how I accomplished that this semester. And so first, I'm going to take you to my internship log. And so when we look into this log, you can see that um, I have logged all of my task descriptions. So whatever I worked on that day, I kind of wrote a little description, how many hours. If I recorded any videos, I attached active links to those videos, and I put the website that I created as my project. There was a spot for Mr. Triolo to sign off, for Dr. Walker to give me feedback, and then for me to respond to that feedback or ask questions regarding the project. So let's head on back to the website here. So, like I said, my goal was to create a website. And so I did create a website and I named it the Keystone Biology Digital Tutor. And so I'm going to take you to that website right now. So when we look at this website, I designed it using Wix.com, which was really easy to work with. I do like that website builder. And so I'll take you through some of these tabs. And so if we hit the Biology Anchor tab, this is a tab that is for students and teachers to get an idea of the 8 major main ideas that they're going to be tested on the biology keystones. And then to the right, there are certain specific competencies, what students need to be able to do in order to be proficient on the Keystone exams. So that's just really a resource for mainly teachers, but also students so they know what to expect. The bulk of this website is pre-recorded Keystone biology lessons. And so I used Screencastify to record um, many videos. So every black rectangle is a live link to a biology lesson that students need um, to understand to be proficient on their keystones. And so I'll take you to one of them. And so if I click on this link, all these videos are stored. So all of these videos are interactive in terms of me drawing, making reference to different websites, and kind of, almost as if I was in the classroom teaching. Students can stop and pause. They can rewatch different segments in order to better understand. So there's a video for each concept that shows up on the keystones. So these videos are housed in my Google Drive, and I did download them, so I can keep them just in case something happens with my Google Drive account, so they're safe. So if we go back to um, the website that I built, um, I also included practice exams, and so I tried to model this off of the real test. Biology Keystones happen in 2 modules, Module 1 and Module 2. So I included a Keystone practice test. And so what students can do is they can click on this Practice Keystone Test button. It will prompt them to make a copy of their own Keystone test. And so when they open this copy, they can answer the practice questions right on this copy. And after they answer all of the questions, if they go back to the website that I built, they have access to an answer key. So this answer key will go through and show them the correct answers. There is a short answer section at the end of this, and there are correct responses. So it really allows students and teachers to kind of gauge where they need extra help, whether it's where students need extra help, or maybe a teacher missed a concept and they need to go back and hit a concept a little better and explain it better. So I have two practice tests that are derived from actual Keystone questions that were released by the state of Pennsylvania. I also included some helpful tips, just things that students can do before the exam, during the exam, in order to be successful. And I also have just some general information about the Keystones, what the Keystones are, what kinds of questions they can expect, how the short answers are graded. And so just a little bit about Keystones, because sometimes they can be a little bit ambiguous and students have a problem understanding what they are and what their purpose is. So I really did enjoy the process of creating this online website. I was, for years, I wanted to produce something like this that all of our biology teachers could have access to. And I recently met with our curriculum specialist for our high school, and he loved this digital tutor website that I built. And he's actually writing it into our curriculum. He's putting it in our curriculum as a link, as a resource for new teachers that come into the district, so they have kind of a baseline of material to pull from. It kind of gives them a starting point. So I was kind of honored to have that happen, and it means that it's a valuable resource for students. And we're even going to try to branch out, and we're going to encourage other other Keystone teachers in algebra and in literature to come up with a resource similar to the website that I created. So hopefully you enjoyed my project. I, again, had a great time doing it, and I learned a lot, and I was able to really utilize a lot of the skills that I mastered in the Instructional Design Technology program here at ESU. All right, hopefully you enjoyed, and have a great day. Bye.